ALKW851A dry body temperature testing furnace. Temperature range, -30 to 100. If you need other temperature ranges, you can customize it. Next, let's operate the process of heating up in the heating mode. Turn on the power supply of the test furnace first, and then turn on the fan power supply. It can be seen that the verification furnace has displayed the current ambient temperature. Then click the set temperature key and enter the temperature value of 50. Click the heating button again. Then adjust the knob to heating. The testing furnace begins to heat up automatically. The temperature has risen to 50 degrees Celsius, and the heating and stabilization time is 5 minutes. Continue to click the set temperature key and enter the temperature value 100 degrees. The test furnace continues to heat up automatically. The temperature has risen to 100 degrees and the heating and stabilization time is 8 minutes. In the same operation, enter the next temperature value 150 degrees. The same testing furnace continues to heat up automatically. The temperature has risen to 150 degrees, and the heating time is 10 minutes. The same operation, input the temperature value to 100 degrees. Automatic heating of the testing furnace. The temperature has risen to 200 degrees, and the heating time to stabilize the temperature is 10 minutes. Then operate the refrigeration mode. First of all, the temperature of the testing furnace should be naturally cooled down, and when it is reduced to the ambient temperature, then the refrigeration mode should be carried out. Click the stop button first, then turn the knob to stop. Then the testing furnace begins to cool down naturally. When the test furnace drops to the ambient temperature, then operate the refrigeration mode. First, click the set temperature button and enter the temperature value of 0. Click the refrigeration button again, then adjust the knob to refrigeration. The test furnace begins to cool down automatically. The temperature has dropped to 0, and the cooling and stabilizing time is 5 minutes. Then click the temperature setting key and enter the temperature value -10 degrees. The testing furnace continues to cool down automatically. The temperature has dropped to -10 degrees, and the cooling and stabilizing time is 5 minutes. Continue to click the setting temperature key and enter the next temperature value -20 degrees. The testing furnace continues to cool down automatically. The temperature has dropped to -20 degrees, and the cooling and stabilizing time is 5 minutes. The same operation, enter the next temperature value -30 degrees. The same inspection furnace automatically cools down. The temperature has dropped to -30 degrees, and the cooling and stabilization time is 5 minutes. Then raise the temperature of the testing furnace to the ambient temperature. Click the stop button first, and then adjust the knob to stop. Then the test furnace heats up naturally. When the temperature of the furnace rises to the ambient temperature, finally turn off the fan and the general power supply, and the measurement is over.